Welcome back to my channel. USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150 is here, and it brings a perfect blend of style, performance, and reliability that Honda fans have come to expect. This bike has always been a favorite in the commuter segment, and the new model takes things to the next level. At first glance, you'll notice its premium design upgrades, including a sharper headlamp with LED DRLs, a sculpted fuel tank, and sleek graphics that add a sporty vibe while maintaining the Unicorn's classy appeal. The chrome elements on the exhaust and side panels give it an elegant touch, appealing to riders who prefer a mature look over flashy styling. Powering the 2025 Unicorn is a refined 162.7 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces around 13.8 brake horsepower and 14 Nm of torque, ensuring a strong low-end and smooth mid-range performance. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox, this engine offers excellent city commuting efficiency and can comfortably handle highway rides as well. Honda's HET technology ensures impressive fuel efficiency, giving riders peace of mind with fewer fuel stops. When it comes to comfort, Honda has nailed it again. The bike features a single-piece cushioned seat that is soft and spacious, offering great comfort for both rider and pillion. The upright riding posture, combined with telescopic front forks and a monoshock rear suspension, makes it perfect for long-distance rides and city traffic alike. Safety has also been prioritized with the inclusion of a front disc brake and rear drum setup, supported by single-channel ABS for controlled braking in all conditions. The 2025 Unicorn rides on 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in tubeless tires, ensuring stability and confidence on various terrains. The instrument cluster remains semi-digital, giving riders essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip meter with a clean and easy-to-read design. Another big plus is Honda's reliability and low maintenance costs, making the Unicorn a smart choice for daily riders. The bike is available in multiple color options, including classic black, gray, and red, each with premium metallic finishes. In terms of pricing, Honda has kept it competitive, making the Unicorn one of the best value-for-money options in the 150 cubic centimeters segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a bike for occasional long rides, the 2025 CB Unicorn 150 ticks all the boxes. It's a perfect combination of performance, comfort, fuel efficiency, and durability. So if you're planning to buy a bike that delivers hassle-free ownership and a smooth riding experience, the new Honda Unicorn deserves to be on your list. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes and cars. Also, drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the new Unicorn? Would you choose it over its rivals? Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and ride safe.